Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to unblock Revolut debit card. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to unblock your Revolut card here, well, this one is quite simple. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and just basically log in into your Revolut account and basically access your home screen. Now at the top right of the screen, you should be able to see your cards or the card icon. So go and just press or click on it, and it should redirect you to the list of cards you currently have. Now from here, you want to go and select the card that you want to unblock. And once you've selected that, this is what you should be seeing. Now what's important here is going to be the settings option, usually at the center right portion or right side. So go ahead and click on settings. Now in the settings, you want to go and scroll down a bit here and look for the unblock PIN or CVV, which is usually under the PIN section. So if you click on unblock PIN or CVV here, it should give you two options. So you have the yes, get 3 more attempts, and cancel. So just click on yes, get 3 more attempts, and that should unblock your Revolut debit card. And you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.